Installation Guide for StagePilotPro. Setlist for REAPER Digital Audio Workstation. First, download StagePilotPro from StagePilotPro.com. Install the StagePilotPro app. During installation, choose your REAPER web route. Then select a port, for example, port 8081. After that, complete the StagePilotPro installation. Now open the REAPER Digital Audio Workstation. Go to Control, OSC, and Web, and select Add. Choose Web Browser Interface. Set the same port you selected during installation. Then, select the file, StagePilotPro_vdre.html. Apply the settings. Next, select your songs inside the REAPER Digital Audio Workstation. Create regions from the songs. You can create regions manually or use the Region Control app. Return to the StagePilotPro app. Press Open to launch your browser. The setlist will now appear. Select a song and press play. You can also scan the QR code in the StagePilotPro app to open the Control app, the Editor, or the Singer view. Alternatively, press the Open button below the QR code. For more information, visit StagePilotPro.com.